As one of a series of films, do check out the others, as the ideas are often interchangeable. So, how do you make your nursery setting more profitable? Number 1, be good at what you do to attract customers. A reputation takes months or years to establish and minutes to ruin. So keep in the social media limelight, showcasing your best practice. Perhaps benchmark against awards. Continually prepare for your inspection process for the best outcome possible. Parents are attracted to quality. Depending on your area, they may also be happy to pay for quality. Number 2, keep an eye on the financials. Don't take your eye off the ball. Have systems in place to look regularly at your cash flow. Cash is king. I can't keep going on about this enough. Any change in circumstances that may broaden your gap between funding and cost of providing your services, budgets, forecasts, and against the actuals. Number 3, streamline everything for efficiency. Staffing, your recruitment, your deployment, your systems, your training. Resources, the care of them, the replacement of them, how you store them. Your administration, your back office, and your children's records. Don't get tied into contracts, and check if or how you can get your data back. Do get in touch if I can help you. Bye for now.